Now children, today let's start with Unit 9, chapter number 41, Voices Around the World. So read about some great writers around the world who wrote in language other than English. First is Mirza Ghalib, greatest Urdu and Persian poet of the 19th century. Lived in India during when the time Mughal Empire was on the verge of being overthrown by the British. Right? He's known for ghazals which has been sung in an interrupted way, which is wrote upon the based upon philosophy and its thought of life. Then we have Kurt Walker, famous Australian Aboriginal writer. His poetry is We Are Going, published in 1964. She became first Aboriginal author in Australia. Shiva Walker worked right of Aboriginal people. His poetry about the hardship of the Aboriginal people. The poet Baso is considered to be the greatest of the Japanese haiku. Each poem is made up of just 17 syllables. Right? He started his career as a samurai warrior but was interested in poetry. Can you imagine that? Or which if you started long time, he was a writer, philosopher, that is George Luis Borges, write about some fantastical words and wrote in Spanish. Okay, his work is Ficciones, fiction hai, El Libro de los Seres Imaginary, book on imaginary beings. Right? ये extraordinary है. And Gabriel Garcia Marquez is another famous author of magic realism. Next is Albert Camus, born in 1930, Algeria. He lived in the period which troubled by a constant war and political upheaval. Right? His novels, essay and plays defend values such as truth and justice. And La Peste, the plague, is symbolic account here for the fight of the against an epidemic. And Camus was awarded the Nobel Prize of Literature when in 1957. Then we have Walt Soyinka was the first Black African writer to win Nobel Prize of Literature in 1986. Where he was born in Nigeria in 1934. When he was a child, his grandfather inspired him to fight bullies, saying that even if you are beaten, challenge him again. I promise you, either you will defeat him or you will run away. Right? So we can now Soyinka writing a draw on Nigerian culture. So let's study and test our knowledge. First is Art of War, that is 1. Then we have Don Cristo, that is Miguel de Cervantes, 2. Now the Prince, 3. Now Canterbury Tales, Geoffrey. Next is Devdas, that is Sarat Chandra. 6th is Sense and Sensibility, Jane Austen. 7th is Metamorphosis, that is your Frank Kafka. Now, Crime and Punishment, that is Fyodor. Now, Count of Monte Cristo. And one left, that is Republic, Clue. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 42, that is IQ test. What is the next? आपको बनाना है, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ figures दी हुई है, you have to tell which one will be made next. So, same you have to make like this. This will be your next one. Now B1, this, then this. So अब कैसा बनाओगे आप? This one, and your this one, and next is this one. Now, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. You can count like this: 1, 2, 3. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, right? 6, 6, 12 or 6, 18, right? Then we have 19, 20, 21, total is 35. कितने है total? 35. Now give number whose sum is equals to their product. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 इनका जो सम है मतलब 1, 2, 3 is being 3, 2, 5 और 1, 6 is equals to 1 into 1 2 is 2 and 3 2 is 6. 3 to 1 and 5 6. This is 6 and 3 2 is 6 and 1 6 is right. Now put the digit from 1 to 9 in the square. So then when they are added up in any direction, diagonally include the total will always be 50. Total हमेशा कितना आना चाहिए? 15 आना चाहिए. Right? So you can write 492. 492. 9, 10, 11, 15. Right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 8, 3, 8. Right? You can see 4, 5, 6. Right? Like this also you can do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 2, 3, 4. Now suppose A stands for 2 and B stands for C, C for 3. So B means 3 and C means 4. So it will be 12. Now B is 3 and D is 5 means minus 2. Now add B and C. B और C को आपको add करना है means 3 and 4 7 and subtract it from A means 2. Answer will be 5. C plus B plus A. C है आपका 4, 3, 2, 9. 4 into B3, 12. Right? Now, let's move to the chapter number 43, that is number crunching. You have to complete sequence over here. Now using just one digit in each box, place the digit 1 through 9 in square in such a way that each vertical, horizontal, diagonal line add up to 50. The same that we have done. You can write 816. Right? आपको 1 से लेकर 9 तक लिखनी है. 816, 834. Now draw lines to separate the number of the rings 3, 1 or more digit. So reading clockwise, you can get multiplying each one section to get the third one. Now in a grid of a place, you have to write the number 1 through 9 to complete this. Right? We will complete this fourth one. 7 plus 5. Plus 4, 16. Right? Next is 1 into 3. 1, 3 is a 3. 8. 9 minus 6. And divided by 2. Right? Now here are some division problems with differences given here. Let's do them. First is A1. P L-I-N. Now here given the dead and bar. Tino, first is your SU. 1 sub SUVZ sub 0 day. Now let's move to the chapter number 44, that is logical reasoning. Right? Now complete the following series. 4 after 4 it is 10. 4 like you can do 4 to the 8 plus 2. Right? Then 10 to the 20 plus 8, that is 28. Right? Like this you have to do. Now 2, 3, 4, 63. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. 8. 8 threes are 63. And then we have 3, 6, 9. Now 24, 60 and 12, 10. देखो 24 प्लस आप ऐसे देख सकते हैं कितना प्लस हो रहा है इसमें, that is 6 and 36. So 6 6 are 36. इसमें स्क्वायर लगेगा सबका, राइट? अब यहाँ पे आप देखते हैं कितना प्लस हो रहा है, 60 and here 90 and then we have 336. 165, 195, 255, 285 and 345. Then afterward we have 435. क्या हो गया आपका 435, राइट? इसमें हम इसमें गए तो कितना ऐड करा, 30, 95 से 251, like this you have to add them. Now 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. 2 to the 4 plus 1. 5 to the 10 minus 1. 9 to the 18 plus 1. 19, 37 the. So we have 216. 4 8 the 32. 32 8 the 128 and 128 the what we have. 9, 11, 20, 31. Here will be 51. 8th one is your 101. Here 72. 3 2 the 6. 5 4 the 20. 7 6 the 42. 9 8 the 72. Right? 12, 32, 72. Then we have 152 and 312. Then we have 2 sevens are 14 plus 1. 15 fours are, right? So here will be 132. 1, 3, 4, 8, 15, 27 and then we have 50. Now 1, 2, 6. 1 2s are 2 3s are 6 4s are 24 and 24 5s are 120. 8 10 14 फिर 4 18 22 20 और 6 26. Next is 1 2 3 6 9 8 18 and then we have 27. 456. Next is 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 4s are and 72 5s are. That is 360. That was a 10. 4 5 9 18 34 59. Now 21 25 33 49 81. And then we have 140. 66 36 18 and then we have 8. माइनस कर रहे हैं इसमें. यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे 30 माइनस करा, यहाँ पे कितना माइनस करा हमने 22 and then we have done 10. Right? Now let's move to the next chapter, that is chapter number 45, mirror image. First is your painted. B bricks, D white, C B, and then fifth one it is C. Sixth is A, seventh D. उल्टा हो जाता है देखो, मलयालम. B. Ninth is C and this one. Right, now we have completed our unit 9. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.